Is it possible to make toast in a microwave?
Well, what happens if you go beyond?
Let's find out.
This is one secret Big Bread does not want you to find out. Click now for more free bread tips. Brad.
I smell bread.
Something? I guess we both started smelling it at the same time.
Yeah.
And yeah, apparently bread smell gets past my respirator.
Any smoke coming out the side?
I don't know, is it getting foggy in there?
Yeah, it is starting to get foggy in there.
Oh, sweet, we're making toast.
Mmm.
Probably just the water boiling off in the bottom of the microwave.
Probably. I'm starting to smell some toast.
Yeah. I do smell that.
Does the toast smell get past your respirator?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah, we're making toast.
Yo! Oh,
Yo!
crap. No, it's getting past toast.
It's okay, we're almost done. Yo, we made toast.
Woo!
Woo.
Whoop. Yeah, that works.